You can see the commonality that we all have, the universality of archetypes. Think about children. You hear of the what is it called? The horrible or terrible twos for toddlers. That's when they start to express a lot of individuality and rejection of what the world is telling them to do. That's the hero archetype. Another stage of life where you see the hero archetype is the teenagers. Again, they say no, they reject everything, blah, blah, blah. They just want to do their own thing because they need to discover for themselves what they're made of. This part that is very individual and very lonely. There is an aspect of our experience that we have to deal with ourselves. And in order to capture that concept, think about how when you learn to ride a bike, even if you have assistance, somebody helping you, or assistive wheels, at some point you make that gesture, you take that action of actually riding the bike. The motivation, the mindset, the force, the spirit that goes into it, this is very individual. Only you can do it. So all of these experiences that we have in life where it feels that the world is really against us or we have to fight. Some people have a lot of that energy and they do it with great joy and anticipation, but that's not the case for everybody. But these are experiences that help us really develop the muscles to deal with life. And what happens is that it stimulates ideas about all of the things that we're actually capable of doing. That's an archetype of discovery. Self discovery is very important, but you will see archetypes all over your human experience. And that's what I love to show with archetypes.